Okay, so this is the next LeetCode database question, which is also very easy category question. And question number 596, classes with at least 5 students. So if you want to give a try, click on the SQL schema and just copy paste. You need to just put semicolon and run that. I also did the same. I just copy paste it and I inserted the data. So you could see the data is there. So data is there, right? So let's read the question. So you have a one table courses, right? We need to find a write a solution to find the class. So you have a class, find a class that have at least 5 students. We need to find a class which has minimum 5 students. So you have this table. So math has like uh, a student, math has C, math has E, math has basically 5 students, one, two, three, four, five, six students. English has one, biology has one, computer has one. So what you need to do if you found an answer is math, right? Because we need to find a class which has minimum 5 students. So what you will do, you will group by like a class and found a like basically count. So you need to find a class and count star and then mm, group by class, right? And if you run that, we found math, English, computer, and biology. Math has 6 students, English has one, computer has one, biology has one. Okay, but you just need a class as an output. Okay, so in this video we will see okay what is the difference between where clause and like having clause. So let me do select star from courses. So where clause generally run if where clause is basically performed line by line. It will check this condition whether this condition is satisfied or not. Then second row, then third row, then fourth row, then fifth row, then sixth row. Like I am giving a random example. Like if there is any table, so like we have a student age as well, and we have to tell okay which student has more than 20 years of old. So it will check whether this student is 20 years old or no. Is this student 20 years old? Yes. This student 20 years old? No. So it will basically check line by line. That is for where clause. And having is also a filtered condition. We have two types of condition: having and where. Where is line by line, and having is on the aggregation. Having is on the aggregation. Aggregation means like we have the count star, something like that. Aggregation. Uh, okay. So now you have the aggregation. Now you need to, instead of a where, we will do having. Having count star greater than equal to 5. All right. So if I just do, so you will get only one row which satisfy that condition, and out of 2 column which you just need only 1 column. So I can remove this count star and rerun that. So I get the answer. So let's try that. So this is also like easy category question, but this is basic. We should also know. Okay, so all the test cases has been passed. So that's it. You can also give a try and thank you.